Good morning, students. So, in today's class, we are going to learn a new story. And what's the name of the story? Can you see the heading? Yes, the name of the story is Wind, Fire, and Paper. What's the name of the story? Wind, Fire, and Paper. Okay? Now, the story begins with you can see three people standing there. An old man lived in China with his two sons. The old man lived in China with his two sons. His sons were married to two sisters. They were living happily in their house. The old man had two sons, and his sons were married to two sisters. They were living happily in their house. Now, see, the two sisters wanted to visit their parents. The two sisters wanted to go to visit their parents. Before leaving, they took the blessings of the old man. Before leaving, they took the blessings of the old man. They said, "We want to gift you something." Then they said, "We want to gift you something." What do you want? Get wind and fire wrapped in a paper. So the old man told to them, get wind and fire wrapped in a paper. He said, the sister promised to get his gift. Now the sisters promised to get his gift. Okay. Then see what happened. They stayed for a few days with their parents. Now it was time for them to return. But they could not find the gift for the old man. Okay, they asked many people, but they could not help them. People said, wind will blow the paper and fire will burn the paper. The two sisters started crying. Just then, a woman came to help them. She said, I can put wind and fire in paper. Now, one of the women said, I can put the fire and wind in a paper. Okay. First she made a paper fan. Then she made a paper box and put a lamp inside. What did the old clever lady did? She made a paper fan and she made a paper box and put a lamp inside. The old man was surprised to receive these gifts. Now the old man was very surprised to see the gifts because children, it's impossible to wrap wind in a paper, okay? And also to wrap fire. Can we wrap fire? No. So, I hope you would have understood the story, students. And the homework given to you is you need to read the story once again, understand the story well, and then narrate the story to your parents without looking in the textbook. Okay? And some vocabulary words we can see here. You need to write these words in your notebook and learn the same and practice them. Okay? So, what is the meaning of blessings? Blessing means to give to give good wishes to someone. To give good wishes to someone is called blessing. Now, wrapped meaning to pack something in piece of paper. Okay. The third word is promised. Promised means to give your word. Promise means to give your word. Like how you promise your mother that I will go to school daily. Okay. Like that. Then fourth word is blow. Blow means to move something through the air. Now fifth one is burn. Burn you know the meaning. Burn means to catch fire. So thank you, students. If you have some doubts, you can ask me and share your homework. by today evening. Okay, thank you.